viewers, welcome to Nifty Astro. As you all know, on this channel we discuss time frame for tomorrow, how the market will be behaving as per the calculation based on Sarvatobhadra Chakra and ephemeris. I hope this time frame what we are sharing with you is useful for you. Along with that time frame, I'll be sharing levels range in which the market can move tomorrow. So this will help you. This both will help you to plan your calls, plan your trades, what you want to take tomorrow, do your technical analysis, and then accordingly you can take. As I always say in my video, the market is not 100% like astrology only. You have to study the technical charts. Please follow the combination of astro and technical. I am not telling the prediction what I am doing is 100% correct. It will have a 70-80% like correct movement and all as per that, but you need to do your technical analysis. You need to be alert during your live market. Okay, so let's start how Nifty and Bank Nifty today behaved. Then time frame I'll be sharing, sector wise which was the how they performed, and then and this what are my views why there was a fall in the market. Okay, so Nifty opened with a gap down of 50 points and it was trying to move upward, but it was not able to move upward. It was not able to sustain there, so it was revolving with 60-70 points movement only around 15,050, but as its support. But afternoon time, afternoon time, Nifty broke this 15,050 support also, and it went back. It came down. Sorry, it came down and it was revolving around that 15,000 support, which is the next support level. But by respecting this market, Nifty didn't cross today 15,000 level and it gave closing of 15,030, which was 0.52% and 78 points. Similarly, if we talk about Bank Nifty opened with the gap down 33,765 and it was trying to approach 34,000 level, but it was not able to approach it. It was not able to approach the level, and it was also moving in a particular range only of, you can say, of 350 points. Later on it gave a closing of 33,685, that is 237 points and 0.70 percentage. If we talk about sector wise, so Nifty Media, Nifty Reality and Nifty Pharma today they performed well. Rest other in other sectors you were able to see profit booking only. If we talk about the markets, Asian market and European market, Asian markets were showing profit booking, and similarly when our market was about to close, European market were also showing profit booking only. So overall we can say the global sentiments are not that strong. If they are impacting our market, so definitely we can expect a little negativeness tomorrow in the market. Now you can write down the time frame. 9:15 to 10:30 it's negative trend, 10:30 to 12:30 mixed to positive, 12:30 to 1:30 it's negative, and 1:30 to 3:30 it's positive. I hope you all have written the time frame. Next is tomorrow's range for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty range will be 14,900 to 15,200, whereas Bank Nifty you can see 33,000 to 34,000. It will be revolving in this particular range, as tomorrow positive and negative both movements are there. Tomorrow expiry, weekly expiry is there. There will be lot of volatility in the market. Now I'll share what are the reason why I am saying today there was a fall, there was a bearishness. If you'll see Reliance today, it was in a good position, good movement it showed, and it crossed its level of 2000. So we were expecting good move upward, but no, at the noon's time it again came back, and that is the effect you can see in the Nifty also. It was consolidating in the morning hours, and later on if you'll see there was a fall after noon time, in the noon time. Okay, next is pharma sector is trying to gear up. So if you all are interested, you can see the search the stocks in the pharma sector. The next today 15,050 level has broken, and now Nifty is at 15,080, 15,030. So the next support level is 15,000. It is acting as a support, and multiple time it tried to break today, but it was not able to break. If it breaks, then 14,900 will be the next support. Reason for this fall, you can say, in US Federal meeting, in US Federal reserves, there was some change in sentiments. So that is why we saw this effect on our markets also, in our global market also. If you'll see, that is due to this news negative sentiment which came in the market. For next, people are expecting this because as there is a rise in inflation rate, and as there is a rise in inflation rate, so that is why people are telling ki the market may go down as per this announcement. But it's not that. Do intraday trade. Please keep a watch on your technical charts. They are very very important. If you don't understand technical charts, then try to learn the technical charts. Okay. The reason for fall is this. And then gold price also, the people started buying gold, uh, and so that rise in gold price, then metal high. If like market 14,900, if it breaks, then the next level support level will be 14,800. So please trade very cautiously. Lot of movement is going on. High volatility will be there in the market tomorrow, and tomorrow is weekly expiry, so be cautious. There will be more volatility as people will try to square off their position whose expiry is for 20th only. I hope the things are clear with you all, and if you have any query or if any feedback you want to give, you can WhatsApp me on my personal number that is written in my description box. Thank you so much and have a great trading day. Jai Shri Krishna. One more thing. If you want to inquire for the premium group or newsletter or Kundli analysis, so you can contact on the same number. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.